Now, there's one simple way to become a millionaire in crypto. Everyone knows this. If you don't know this, you've been sleeping under a rock, okay? I'm going to tell you though. Step one, buy crypto, okay? You with me so far? There's only 2 steps. Step 2, delete the app. Delete it. Get rid of it. Throw your phone in the trash if you can. Get rid of it. And then in 5 years, open your phone up and you'll see your entire portfolio is going to be looking good. That's correct. So crypto, you just hodl. That's what the word is really intended for. It's not for stocks, it's for crypto. Because stocks can be affected by news, by the product failing, the service not working, people leaving bad reviews, a disgruntled employee burning down the business. Many things can happen to stocks. Not really anything could affect crypto other than, like I said in my last video, the government, news articles, the media saying that they're going to ban crypto, or crypto is used for drug smuggling, or it's used for, in most recent news, the reason why probably the entire crypto market plunged is because of this article. Bitcoin and crypto markets crash on U.S. crackdown reports. Right here. The drop appears to coincide with reports that the U.S. Treasury is planning to tackle financial institutions for money laundering. People are big institutions, probably also the Italian mafia, also maybe the Russian mafia. There's plenty of mafias. They're smuggling money this way. They're laundering money with coins. They've done it with cash. Like, all right, we've done this so much, it's boring. Let's get them off our scent, off our trail. Let's move to crypto. Let's launder through crypto. And it's been working. But now they're going to crack down on it. Or maybe it's just a threat and they really don't know how to crack down. Regardless, things like this, anything in the news that's crypto related in a negative eyesight, it's going to make it crash or correct. But that's one article. Another reason why the crypto markets are pulling down is because Dogecoin, or as I like to call, Dogecoin, or even better, Dogecoin, spikes 400% in a week. We know everyone wanted to be a millionaire on Dogecoin. They were loading, trying to be an overnight millionaire, causing Dogecoin to go mainstream, causing everyone, the grandmom down the street, little Tommy playing on his iPad to buy crypto. Everyone's buying crypto because they want to make money. And once something, anything, goes mainstream, that's when you need to get out. That's when the run's over. So when you're hearing about Dogecoin on news outlets or through a friend of a friend, a sister's cousin's aunt's sister-in-law, that's when you know, don't get in, you're late. You missed it, your ear wasn't listening for hoofbeats on the ground, you weren't watching my channel to be in the loop, okay? You're late, it's over. So people liquidated. Big holders of Bitcoin and other coins liquidated. 7.6 billion in Bitcoin was liquidated in like an hour. Gone, sold. They're like, all right, markets are too high. They're going to come down and correct because too many people are trading it. Just like the stock market works the same way. Look at the Winkles. Spartans buy the dip. He is not phased. I'm not phased either. Digging into the chart here, look at Ethereum. There are 3 bullish indicators why I think this is obviously a strong bottom. It's a strong bottom. And I'm going to show you why. Simple. It's so simple. So I'm adding. I'm about to buy this up right now. I already own Ether. I haven't sold a single coin. Single token. None of them. I love Ethereum. I love all crypto. I'm going to keep loading up. This week, it's probably going to be my biggest week of loading up on coins. So if you want to see when I do buy and what I buy, there's a link in the description. It's stock alerts. You can click that and you'll get alerts when I buy these. Because I look for the perfect point. I want to get it the cheapest. Listen, I don't like to spend money if it's overpriced. I want to get it on discount. So you shop at Beverly Hills. I shop at Payless. Okay? We're both getting the same thing. We're both getting a shirt. We're both getting a coin. But I'm getting mine cheaper. Okay? You could buy your Marco Polo turtleneck in America. I'll buy mine in Vietnam. They're both cloth. So looking at Ethereum here, you might be wondering, how do I nail that bottom? How could I have got there? 1944. Why couldn't I buy right there? You could have. This chart's so easy to read. I don't know if it's just me or what, but look at this. Okay? Look at where the bottom is. Right here. That's the bottom, okay? Over here, that's the top. You just draw a line. Boop! Right there. So if you look over here, if you saw this and you saw this, you draw a line. And then right there, you would be like, oh, it's plummeting. It's going to plummet right to my pink line. So I'm going to put in an order at 1938. Bing! You bought the bottom. It's simple. It's just simple. Okay? If you don't know how to read these charts, hit the subscribe. I read them for you. Another green flag, and the reason why I saw this was the bottom is because of RSI. When RSI goes blue, look at the blue down here. Hold on. Blue. It rockets up. Blue. It rockets up. Anytime it goes blue, means bullish. Anytime it means red, it means run. Red, run. Simple as that. Come on, people. This is crypto. It's not solving how to build a rocket. We're not Elon Musk. Okay? You could be the feathered head dude that owns Robinhood and figure this out. I mean, he's probably smart. Bad example. You could be Napoleon Dynamite and figure this out. Perfect example. Also, the final third indicator why this is the bottom, but I'm going to show you what's going to happen because it's not the true bottom, but it's the bottom for now. I'm going to show you what's going to happen. But look at this, another indicator. If you know what Fibonacci is, then you saw this as well. Okay, I'm going to draw the bottom to the top. Okay, bottom to the top. Boop. Oh, let me move it over so we could see. Boop. Now, this is going to drop at a certain mark. On this case, a 50%. Let me show you if you don't understand where I'm going. It ran all the way up, and it fell there. This was the lowest. This was the highest. So I draw my fibbies from the bottom to the top, and then I know 50% is where the bounce is. See the 50%? Right here. I'm buying a 50%. Whoop! Now, the question is, in the current drop, from the bottom to the top, where's 50%? I think you see where I'm going with this. From the bottom of the run to the top of the run, whoop! 50%. That's a beauty. Here's our 50%. It's kind of hard to see because my pink line's there. 50%. Look at these simple indicators. Find your support, find your RSI, and use fibs if you want. You don't have to use fibs, but fibs is nice. He likes to hang out every now and then, hulk it up, say, yo, it's guaranteed. Yeah, send it. It's at the bottom. But let me show you what I think is going to happen. All these indicators are for that bottom bounce. You could have got the bottom bounce, did a nice swing trade, capitalized on. Let's see how much percent that was. That was a nice 15% bounce. So you could have made 15%. This is what I think is going to happen with Ethereum going forward. And I'm using Ethereum as a gauge for the entire crypto market. So when Ethereum goes and Bitcoin goes, all the altcoins are going to follow along. So this will work on any coin. So just follow along. All right. So this is what I see is happening. All right. Over here, anytime crypto does an inverse head and shoulders, it likes to run. Also head and shoulders. Head and shoulders, I feel like, is the #1 indicator on crypto. Let me show you what I mean. Head, shoulders, if you're new to this. Okay, right here, look. Shoulder, shoulder, head. Can you see it? Here's the shoulder, here's the head, here's the shoulder. Anytime that happens, it's going to break out to the upside. Okay, and you could have held all the way to the top and still be holding, actually. Again, right here, we got a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and then breaks out. Now, over here, we're doing the inverse, or the regular. These were the inverses. So we got a shoulder, a head, and we're about to build another shoulder. I think we're going to do a double test at 1950 because that's our bottom based on our 3 indicators, our fibbies, our RSI, and our support. And then we're going to bounce up. So I don't think this right here is just going to go. I think it's going to come down for a second test and then rock it up. So pay attention for that second test on 1950. If it doesn't happen, good. This is how you play crypto. You dollar cost average in, okay? You buy little increments. Everyone should tell you this, little increments. You don't go all in and you're like, I'm down, great, losing money. Why does it go down every time I buy? It's because you're going all in. Dollar cost average. Do like 10 buys. So if you have $1,000, do $100 buys each time. If you do it on Robinhood, it's free. There's no fee. So who cares? $100 here. If it goes down, ooh, $100, you got a cheaper price now. It goes up, now you're in the green. Goes down more, oh, okay, another $100. Goes down more, another $100. You're happy when it goes down. Okay, I'm beating the dead cat because I said this so many times. So that's Ethereum. Other altcoins that I'm buying on the dip, because I love this dip, but I think it needs to settle down some more. I think it's going to come down a little bit more for that second test. But when it does, and it's guaranteed it's going up, I'm doubling up on, I'm buying OMG, UNI, I'm adding to ADA, Link, XLM. What else? I don't think I have them all on here. But these altcoins, I love. Atom. Atom is another one. ATOM, I'm going to add on. So those are the altcoins I like. They're all bloody red right now, which I like. I don't see that as red flags. I see that as discounts. Payless has opened their doors. Everything's half off. And it might even be 75% off. And I'll be in there 24 hours buying up all the shelves. Every rack, it's mine. The lady at the counter's gonna be looking at me like I'm nuts. God, let her. I don't care. But that's really the main reason. The news about the crypto markets crashing because of US cracking down on money laundering and Doji. Doji got too big, too fast, too mainstream. It brought too much attention to it. Just like GME and AMC. If you were trading those stocks, because if you have Robinhood, I'm sure you were, because everyone was doing it. Grannies were doing it. I was at a bowling alley one night. This little 12-year-old next to me threw a strike, and I said, oh, my AMC's up. Double whammy. His girlfriend, he had like 3 of them. Kids these days. But that's the reason why there was the crash. Too much attention. So it's flushing out. It needed a flush as well based on this chart, because over here, ran up, it had to flush. Ran up, it had to flush. And we're hoping that it continues to run up. So dollar cost average, wait for that double bottom or get in now and just add into it. It's crypto. I'm curious to see if more negative press comes out, because that's going to continue to drive the price down until we get numb to it. And then we're immune for the future. We're going to get the news press vaccine for crypto pretty soon, because we're going to be numb to these announcements, because they don't come often. Last time I remember bad press on this was Bitcoin, when they were saying they were using it for drugs. So, I mean, they'll say anything to scare you. And guess what? Those news anchors, they're probably buying it up right now. They're laughing. These people will sell. They're so weak-handed. They'll just sell. We'll say, oh, no, Bitcoin is going to get banned. Timmy, Bob, Steve, did you hear this? Yeah, dump it. Clip it. Come on. What happened to Diamond Hands? You're going to Diamond Hand AMC? A dying movie theater? But you won't Diamond Hand Ethereum? Bitcoin? ADA? Okay, that's it for the analysis on the crypto markets, Ethereum, where I think it's going to go, what I think is going to happen. I have a deep dive coming out tomorrow night, Monday. If you don't know what deep dives are, I do fun skits about stocks. I did an entire season, 20 episodes, and I'm bringing it back for season 2. So if you don't understand what this is, check out season 1. It's called Buy or Sell. It's an entire playlist. You can watch that to get caught up. It's like watching a Netflix show. You're going to get caught up for season 2. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. And don't forget, by hitting that button, you know, it's getting you closer. It's not just like, you're not just watching a video, is what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to get you a little bit closer to retiring young.